What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and I'm currently in front of Apple Store, the Exchange TRX, to check out the queue, okay? Because people are getting their new iPhone 17s today. The time now is about 7:30 a.m. So let's check the crowd out. Okay, so what's your name?
Hi, my name is Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Okay, so what time you started queuing?
I started at 12 a.m. because I thought it was a walk-in. But I am a pre-order person, so I can just walk straight away into the mall.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
And what are you using now? Show me your iPhone.
So this is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's quite buggy for some reason, and it's also have a bit of cracks. So I think I should upgrade this time.
Oh, okay. So what are you getting?
I'm getting, of course, the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max 1TB.
Wow, 1TB, very rich, huh?
Yeah, and I'm a content creator.
Wow.
Not yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Tushar Ahmed.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice. So what time you started queuing?
Before 4 a.m. in the morning.
4 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
What are you using now?
I'm using the 15 Plus.
Show.
Yeah.
15 plus, huh? Wow. Okay, so what are you getting?
I will buy 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange 256
256. Nice. Okay.
Hi, my name is Madi. I'm a videographer. I shoot wedding videos, events with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So the problem that I have with this phone is always overheating. So I hope that the 17 Pro Max with the vapor chamber and the aluminum unibody would help to solve the overheating issues when I'm shooting a video.
Nice.
So I hope the phone could actually shoot more detailed videos in 4K, and then with the log, I can color grade my videos quite nice. And let's hope the new iPhone 17 Pro Max really delivers.
Which color are you getting?
It's silver.
Silver.
Yeah, because
Nice.
I feel like silver is like the most.
You don't want to be like him, kan?
No. But I feel like, see, if I'm using the 15 Pro Max in natural titanium, so I feel like silver is gonna be suitable.
Cool. Okay. Cool, thanks. Okay, nama?
My name is Farhan.
Farhan, eh? Okay, sejak pukul berapa you beratur?
Daripada 1.30 pagi.
1.30 pagi. Dia benarkan you masuk ke?
Dah.
Oh, bagus. Phone sekarang apa?
Sekarang pakai 15 Pro.
15 Pro. And then you're getting what?
17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max. Baguslah. What's your name?
Wan. My name is Wan.
One, eh? Okay, what time you queue?
3 a.m.
3 a.m?
Yeah.
So what are you using now?
14.
14. Tunjuk sikit. Okay, what are you getting?
17 Pro Max.
17 Pro Max. Nice. Okay, thank you. Okay, 介绍一下什么名？
我的名字叫伊旺。
伊旺。
我叫伟轩。
伟轩。
我叫 Ivan。
OK， 9点开始排队。
2点半。
2点半，现在几点？
现在差不多要7点12了。
7点42啊。
对。
OK，so 你现在在用什么电话
13 Pro Max。
13 Pro Max， 你
iPhone 15。
iPhone 15。
15 Pro Max。
15 Pro Max。哇 ，OK，so 你要买什么
17 Pro Max。
17 Pro Max 几大
512罢了啊。
512。
我陪他。
你陪他罢了啊？叫你排队做什么？你站那边。OK， 到你。
17A。
17A， 哇，很少看到有人买 A 的嘞。
新的 model 嘛，就 try 看哦。
OK，
备用机啊。
OK， 一个 camera 我可以啊。
try 看啊，就拿来当做 spare
哦 ，spare 啦，有钱人呐。
是新的款式嘛，宝宝就 try 一下哦。
Okay，what's your name?
Janur Rahman,
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Nice. What time you started queuing?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock, huh? And what are you using now?
16 Pro Max.
16 Pro Max. Also, you want to change?
Today I get 17 Pro Max. But I want to orange color. No more finish.
No.
Now I take blue color.
Nice. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's your name?
Okay, so my name is Aya Iktisham.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm a student now.
Student, eh? Okay, what time you started queuing?
I start queuing at 3:40.
3:40, betul ke?
Out at 3:40.
Okay.
And when I come here at 3:40, I thought I was like I'm gonna be at least at the top 10 or top 20. When I come, it's already like 100 people already queuing. Oh my god.
Okay, you can always try again next year, kan?
Next year.
Okay, what are you using now?
I'm using iPhone 13.
iPhone 13, eh? What are you getting?
I'm getting the iPhone 17, just the normal one, but the 512GB,
What color?
the lavender one, because I like soft color.
Ooh.
Like my iPhone 13 is the pink color one.
Oh, you like soft color, eh?
Yeah.
Suka? Okay. Okay, nama?
I'm a Fizzy.
Fizzy?
Din.
Din? Okay, so started queuing what time?
Sorry?
Started queuing at what time?
Queuing at 4 a.m.
4 a.m.
Yeah.
Sama lah.
Same.
Okay, from where? Which part?
We are from Seputeh.
Seputeh.
Just
Okay.
nearby lah, nearby.
Okay, cool. What are you using now?
I'm using 15 Pro Max.
15 Pro Max.
The only reason I changed because the 48 megapixel for the zoom lens. Yeah, because we are YouTube. So that's why I will change. to
Okay,
70
that's
Pro
cool.
Max.
What about you?
Same. 15 Pro Max.
Okay, and what are you getting?
70 Pro Max. 70 Pro Max.
Nice. What color?
Mine silver lah, as simple as I don't think like I like the striking color
Okay.
like this. So silver is the safest way lah, and it's easier to match with other cases.
Betul?
Yeah.
I think the orange one.
Orange, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you like the orange?
I think like bold.
Yeah.
So bold.
Of course, you have to show people, ma. Have to show people we're using the new one. Yeah lah. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Zuma.
Okay. What time you started queuing?
Not very long because I pre-ordered on launch day. So I only got here at about 7:30.
Nice.
Yes, because
Okay.
there's a fixed time, right? So my pickup is at 8 a.m.
Okay, which phone are you getting?
I'm getting the iPhone Air, but it's for my dad because it's his birthday tomorrow and he's currently on the 15 and he likes his gadgets. So I bought him an Air for his birthday.
Nice. Okay, so the first batch of people is in, and we're currently waiting for the second batch of people. What's up? Yo. Whoa, Daniel with the orange, huh? Nice. Nice. Woo! Woo! Daniel here. Nice. Look at these people. Wow. Okay, one more time. Yay! Oh. Yes, nice. Okay, so I'm with Z. Hello. And also Umar.
Can't stop staring at the orange, but
I know, right? So this is just the orange one, not the top one.
Mm.
So what time you started queuing?
Like a week and a half ago. The moment I clicked pre-order, maybe.
Okay, so show us your iPhones.
Okay, so
Wow, someone with the
oh my
strap,
God,
the crossbody strap.
and then crossbody. Hey, crossbody.
Very
You
nice.
got a crossbody. You got a crossbody.
This is your crossbody.
My body is here, my phone is there.
Your body is your cross.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Bayer. I'm from Indonesia.
Okay.
Today I'm picking up the iPhone 17 Pro Max in 1 terabyte.
Wow,
Speed orange.
nice. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kelvin.
Kelvin. Which one did you get?
Getting the iPhone Air.
Show me. Wow, nice. Okay, so why did you get the Air?
Because I like the slim phone and then the handle is very good.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so that was the launch of the new iPhone 17 series at the Apple Store TRX. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe.